That's
just
funny.
being honest,
Yeah,
I
be
think
honest.
we all kind of have, at least speaking personally,
Okay.
I'm
All
not
right.
going to say
Yeah.
for everyone in the room.
Okay.
We're having like a minor technical thing that no one's going to notice,
Probably
but we
not.
notice in here.
Yeah, and it's fun. It makes it fun.
Marcus is laughing too.
Yeah.
I got Marcus to laugh. So
Can we
it's
say
just-
it? Are we allowed to say
Sure,
say it?
sure, why not?
We can faintly hear the behind-the-scenes antics, the audio from that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I, you know.
But it's fun.
It's just making me laugh.
It's
so
making, yeah.
I'm just
it's-
being honest.
it's a fresh perspective on
Yes.
Prime at Night.
Moving to weather now. I was going to say, I don't really know.
Oh, okay,
I'm
yeah.
just-
Snow's
I'm just so out
winding
there.
down. It's not going to be as frigid moving forward.
Yes.
There are still some light scattered snow showers drifting around, but by and large, the snow, again, is going to be exiting. There are still a little bit of light returns showing up in down East Maine. These are focused along what's called a trough axis. It's a piece of converging winds west or trailing the low that's right now to the east of Nova Scotia. So as that trough axis pinwheels around that low and pivots through mid-coast Maine, there still will be a little chance for a few mid-coast showers of snow overnight, but after midnight, I think we're pretty much done with this episode of snow, and for the most part, many are finished with the snow. Thursday's quiet, starts cloudy, but ends sunny, mid-30s in the afternoon. Friday, more sunshine, similar temperatures, mid to upper 30s Friday afternoon. And then a little clipper. This one's not very energetic. It does drop a weak front in, and that front may coax a few snow showers out of the atmosphere. The chances look better in southern New England, but those are those mood flakes we were saying may be a part of Valentine's Day. It looks like a morning thing also if it is going to happen. And then fairly benign into the evening hours. If you have any, festivities or date whatever planned Saturday evening, it'll be cold. Temperatures falling through the 30s and into the 20s, but I don't think we're going to have any snow to be navigating on Saturday night. This map now, as we pull out to the more, continental view, so to speak, it's interesting. So I'm going to just circle these features here. We've got a train of clippers that'll be working through the northern latitudes of the continental U.S. And then we've got a bigger storm that'll be working out into the Atlantic Sunday night. So what's happening here is there are really just two tracks in the upper level flow pattern. We've got the polar jet stream in the northern latitudes of the U.S., and then the subtropical jet will be the one that's carrying the bigger storm to the south. And if we were going to see a storm, that storm in particular, come our way, we would want to see the polar jet maybe come down and then the subtropical jet meet up with it. And then those two would be what's called phased together, and we'd have a better chance at getting the storm that'll be moving off the southeast Atlantic coast. But as it stands, looks like the jet streams remain separate. That one passes us by to the south. We do catch a few little clippers into the early parts of next week, but it doesn't look overly active. Temperature-wise, mid to upper 30s, low 40s in the daytime, teens and 20s at night. That's the next 7 days. Beyond that, through the 25th of February, it's still looking warmer than average, so we're not expecting any significant cold snaps anytime soon. 2 to 4 foot seas tomorrow, upper 30s on the sea surface temps in the Gulf of Maine, mid to upper 30s, low 40s through the extended forecast in the inland locations. At the coast, same type of vibe, only some minor snow chances, one on Saturday, and then a few more into early next week. But nice to see some 40s on the board there.
It sure is.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really incredible news.
It's great.
For me personally, incredible news.
I'm glad to be giving it to you.
I love
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.